Whenever you feel curiosity and excitement for watching movies for adults, one wonders how the actors manage to be on the alert for several hours. Well, did not pump as they pumped their sexual units? It turns out that the strong potency has its own secrets. Chief among these same secrets is adequate nutrition. Want to know more? Then download the 3-Step Stamina Program book and discover the secrets of the great potency from Aaron Wilcox. By the way, the indomitable Randy West on the eve of the shooting, abundant sexual contacts, preferred to abstain from fatty foods and eat only raw eggs and bananas. King of adult movies John Holmes abundantly consumed all sorts of greens and peanuts. Legendary Rod Jeremy maintained his potency by all kinds of high-calorie foods and stayed active with every shot, a kind of feat. Sexual featuring and what can be a feat on an empty stomach? Of course, a diet cannot really work with love. Numerous doubles, long grueling hours of sex work, the crowd handing out advice, guidance operators, illuminators, sound makers, directors and observers simply say, pull insert, remove, insert. To maintain an erection is a hell of a job, or you have to be a sex maniac, or indifferent phlegmatic, or to have on hand a such assistant who is ready to help in difficult times, not only with kind words but also with worthy blowjob. As a rule, these girls are always present on the sets of films for adults. Their task is to support the oral route of sexual performance of the actors. So, dear, the sexual chaos that we have the happiness to contemplate, is the result of long work of genius sexual front. For complete information on how to improve male potency, I recommend that you download the ebook 3-Step Stamina now.